When people ask me about Linux distros for gaming, three names always came up: Nobara, Debian, and CachyOS. And honestly, they couldn't be more different. Let's start with Nobara. This is a Fedora with training wheels, taken off, and a turbo engine bolted on, built by the Proton GE developer. It comes preloaded with the drivers, tweaks, and patches gamers usually waste over setting up. The result? You can install it today and be running games tomorrow. No command line buttons required. The flip side is that it's one-person VM, so big updates can occasionally cause surprises. Then there is Debian. If Nobara feels like a custom gaming rig, Debian is more like an old-school workstation that never dies. It's been around forever and it's powers servers across the world. And its main selling point is stability. You can install it, you update it, and then you forget about it. It just runs. But if you want bleeding-edge drivers or the latest shiny desktop, Debian is going to feel like it's stuck in the past. Finally, CachyOS, the performance junkie choice. These distros take Arch Linux and dials it up to 11. Everything is optimized at the kernel and compiler level to squeeze out more frames, faster load times, and a snappier desktop. Benchmarks show real gains, but here's the deal, it's still Arch. That means rolling updates, constant changes. You need to keep an eye on your system. If you like tinkering and living on the edge, it's a dream. So here's the takeaway. If you want easy gaming that just works, Nobara is the pick. If you want maximum stability, Debian wins. And if you want raw performance, don't mind maintenance, CachyOS is the king. Different tools for different people. What matters is what you need the most. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe.